Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your Shopify admin and confirming you have the right permissions to add or edit images. Once done, gather your photos, JPG or PNG, optimized and under 20 MB to avoid slow pages. Now open the exact destination: products for product images, files for general assets, collections for galleries, or theme editor for storefront visuals. This first step puts you in the correct context and prevents wasted uploads, so you can proceed without backtracking. You now upload, drag and drop or click upload and choose multiple files to save time. After importing, add descriptive alt text for accessibility and SEO, and adjust the image order to control thumbnails and main display. Make cropping or replacements in the image editor and ensure consistent aspect ratio, 16:9 or square, to keep layout stable. For product images, attach pictures to the correct variant, so the right image appears when customers select size or color. Finish by saving and previewing your pages on desktop and mobile to confirm alignment and responsiveness. If images don't show, clear your browser cache and reload. If that fails, re-upload with a new file name to bypass caching. For storefront assets, use Shopify files and reference them in the theme editor so the CDN serves them reliably. If images are slow, check CDN or size optimize again. These final checks ensure consistent display and reduce customer friction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.